Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Widawija Arpamita. I'm from 11 Accounting 1. My list number is 35. Today, I want to reading a blood moon. A blood moon is the popular name for a total lunar eclipse, a celestial event where the moon turns a deep reddish color. This phenomenon occurs when the Earth passes directly between the Sun and the Moon, casting its shadow across the lunar surface. What causes a blood moon? A blood moon's striking color is a result of relic scattering, the same scientific principle that makes Earth's sky appear blue and our sunrises and sunsets red. During a total lunar eclipse, the moon is completely within the Earth's darkest shadow, known as the umbra. However, it does not disappear from view. Instead, the only sunlight reaching the moon first passes through Earth's atmosphere. As the sunlight filters through our atmosphere, the shorter blue wavelengths of light are scattered away. The longer red and orange wavelengths pass through, get bent or refracted, and are projected onto the moon's surface. This process gives the moon its characteristic crimson glow. The exact shadow of red can vary depending on atmospheric conditions, such as the amount of dust, volcanic ash, or clouds in the Earth's air. Viewing a blood moon. Unlike a solar eclipse, a blood moon is entirely safe to observe with the naked eye. No special equipment is needed, though binoculars or a telescope can provide a more detailed view of the lunar surface during the event. The best conditions for viewing are a clear, cloudless sky and a location with minimal light pollution. Historical and cultural significance. For centuries, before the scientific explanations was widely understood, blood moons were often viewed as omens. Different cultures interpret the event in various ways, from signs of divine angel to celestial battles. And some historical accounts, like that of Christopher Columbus, knowledge of a coming lunar eclipse was even used to manipulate people. However, today, a blood moon is celebrated as a predictable and beautiful astronomical event, a stunning reminder of the mechanics of our solar system. For centuries, a total lunar eclipse or blood moon has been a source of fascination, fear, and wonder, inspiring a rich tapestry of myths and folklore across different cultures. Before modern science offered an explanations for the moon's sudden change in color, people developed stories to make sense of the celestial event, often viewing it as an omen or a supernatural occurrence. The moon under attack. One of the most common myths is that a celestial creature is attacking or devouring the moon. This belief often led to rituals designed to scare the monster away and save the moon. Inca, South America. The Inca believed a lunar eclipse was caused by a jaguar attacking and eating their moon goddess, Mamaquilla. The red color was thought to be the moon's blood. To frighten the jaguar away, people will shoot, bang drums, and encourage their dogs to howl. Chinese. Ancient Chinese culture believed a dragon was biting the moon. To save it, people would make loud noises by banging drums and ringing bells. This belief was so deeply ingrained that in the 19th century, the Chinese Navy would even fire its artillery during a lunar eclipse. Hindu. India. In Hindu mythology, the demon Rahu is said to swallow the moon as revenge. Rahu was decapitated by the god Vishnu, but because he had already consumed the nectar of immortality, his head became immortal. During an eclipse, his head devours the moon, but since he has nobody, the moon soon reappears. A omens of misfortune. In many cultures, a blood moon was seen as a bad omen, a sign of impending disaster, war, or famine. Mesopotamians. The ancient Mesopotamians were skilled astronomers and could predict eclipses with some accuracy. They believed a lunar eclipse was an attack on the moon, which was linked to their king. To protect the king from harm, they would hide him and appoint a substitute ruler to face the potential wrath of the gods. After the eclipse passed, the real king would resume his position. Biblical prophecy. In Christianity, the blood moon is a term that gained modern popularity from religious passages in the Old and New Testaments describe the moon turning to blood as a sign of the end times or the great and terrible day of the Lord. Other common superstitions. Many superstitions and folk beliefs persist today, often passed down through generations despite a lack of scientific evidence. Pregnancy and health. In various cultures, it is believed that a lunar eclipse can be harmful to pregnant women and their unborn children. Superstitions include avoiding going outdoors, using some objects or eating to prevent birth defects or other health problems. Food and water contaminations. Some traditions hold that food and water become poisoned or impure during a lunar eclipse and should not be consumed. Bad luck. The event is often linked to general bad luck, misfortune, or natural disasters such as earthquakes and floods. While science has explained the beauty of a blood moon, these myths and traditions remain a fascinating part of human history, reflecting our ancestors' attempts to understand and find meaning in the mysteries of the cosmos. Find meaning in the mysteries of the cosmos. Thank you for watching.